Narratives are socially constructed stories that make sense of events and phenomena. Therefore, the way media and news reporting about climate change will shape public awareness and action responding to it. This shaping power can usefully build public support to accelerate climate mitigation, but it can also be used to do exactly the opposite. Over the decades, we have witnessed enormous media coverage of climate change. It has been noted by the panel that there has been a consistent rise in the coverage of climate-related news in the worldwide media. According to research conducted across 59 nations, climate-related articles has increased from roughly 47,000 between 2016 to 2017 to about 81,000 in 2020 to 2021. Over time, the media's representation of climate science has improved, becoming more precise and reliable. A European research team recently published a paper in Climatic Change journal, noting that most climate change narratives focus on doom and gloom stories. In particular, they highlight the risks associated with climate change, such as wildfires, drought, flood, and food shortage. Additionally, they predict even more significant disasters in the future, including more severe flooding and famines that could impact entire regions. Therefore, the question is whether the doom and gloom narrative on climate change is counterproductive. In my opinion, the answer is yes, it is. There has been several studies conducted to evaluate this argument. According to UNESCO and studies by Thomson Reuters Institute, the doom and gloom narrative can also make some people turn off and lose interest. Narratives of fear can become self-fulfilling prophecies. When individuals negatively perceive that things will continue to deteriorate, they may become overwhelmed. This sense of overwhelm can lead them to give up, ultimately worsening the situation. Being constantly exposed to negative news can result in a state of paralysis, causing a vicious circle of bad news. Although in the media industry, the dramatic angle is a clickbait strategy. However, Mr. Rapkin from UNESCO pointed out that if clicks are the metric of success in environmental journalism, then we kind of doomed. As the medium or journalist of a media company, the most important is to foster constructive and engaging connection with readers and experts. By doing so, we can serve as a trustworthy source of guidance for target audience. So, what can we do to make it right? The answer is the narratives that can empower people to act. These narratives focus on the third role of media, campaigning on social issues. Besides, two primary functions are informing audiences and acting as watchdogs. These narratives aim to tell uplifting and captivating stories. They also clearly envision the desired outcome and provide a roadmap. This also accounted for win-win narratives. For example, by presenting certain narratives, we can observe how reducing emissions can lead to financial benefits, ultimately resulting in a favorable outcome for everyone involved. In conclusion, the doom and gloom narrative is the most commonly heard story about climate change. It focuses on the negative impacts, costs, and disasters. This narrative has had some success in bringing attention to the issue, but it has not led to effective and sustainable climate responses. As the media and news have a significant influence on shaping public opinion regarding climate change, journalists are responsible for creating diverse narratives that inspire action and offer mutual benefits.